Hey guys, it's Haley and I am back with another video. So, just earlier I posted my little mini project share of the pouch I made, as well as a Hobby Lobby and book haul. And also, while I was on my little break, I didn't do any other large project, but I did a couple of very small things. This one got squished by my dog's fat butt. My poor little old corgi, she's so cute. Anyway, this was a moon pie box that I basically took apart at the connecting points, laid it flat, covered in paper, and reassembled it, after cutting it in half. And this one, I just wanted a place for my Elmer's, not Elmer, off-brand, because, I'm cheap, PVA glue and my fabric glue, so that they can just sit upside down and I don't have to worry about, like, any sort of nice container getting damaged. So I made an extra one of those. And this, I made a whole bunch of ephemera and embellishments out of mostly different sticky notes. And I am going to put these into in between a book to flatten them all out. Some of them are sticky notes I've had for a long time. This is a My Mind's Eye sticky note. And then some of them, like these, are from Jen. She sent, these are from the Michael's Dollar Spot. And there's 3 different types of these really, really cute vintage sticky notes. She sent me a pack of each. There's two or three different types, and I'm obsessed with them. My favorite one, I think, is this one, and it has a little tag with it. Well, anyway, I'm sure I'll find it in a minute. But here it is. Look how cute that is. And then also, Yelidi, like I said, also just sent a whole box, 2 boxes full of stuff, which I'm going to be sharing a ton of because I can't keep that. Anyway, she sent a pack of them, and it just so happened to be my favorite ones as well. It's just, from the Dollar Spot, like a card, and it has like 10 to 20 sheets of each little sticky note on it. Super cute. And all I did was just back these on cardstock scraps, paper scraps that I had, just to make little journaling spots and things like that. Look how cute this is. These are from the Smash Book. I've had these forever. I love the bee one. And also there was a pack of these in the box Yelidi sent. These are from the Happy Mail my friend Katie sent me recently. Look how cute these are. Aren't these like perfect little labels for going in your botanical journal? This I just put on some cardstock and fussy cut it. It's not perfect. My hands are too shaky nowadays, but anyway, it's a sticky note, Heidi Swap sticky note. And that's what most of these are. This is a sticky note, and I believe this one, is this one from Jen, or is this? No, these are the new ones from Katie. And anyway, I just made a whole bunch of little labels and things, and some of them are large enough to be like double-sided. I'm going to use this as a regular tag. And some will be, just small little layering pieces. These are from a succulent theme sticky note set that I got at Ross. It was either Ross or TJ Maxx a while ago. This is from a little notepad from Dollar Tree. And then I also, these were just some cut-aparts, and I layered them on some paper scraps. And this is some packaging that I thought this would be like a really good base for like a layering piece. And this is packaging from Barnes & Noble. It was a Barnes & Noble gift card. And then these these little, what are they? Like library cards. These were from a cut apart sheet from Jen, and some of them I layered on regular paper, and then these I layered with some of my fabric scraps. This one is actually from one of the fabric samples that I got on AliExpress, and this one is from that fabric scrap haul that I got 2 weeks ago. And yeah, so I just backed them on different types of paper, but when you use wet glue, obviously, even if the paper's like pretty heavy, it'll still warp. Like this is 2 pieces of cardstock and it's still warped. So I'm going to stick these in between some book pages. I'm just going to get one of my big books, put a couple each page, every few pages, you know, and stack it up, and in no time they will be flattened and ready to go. And yeah, they're just, you know, great pieces, even if you're going to use just regular sticky note page flags and you don't want a border or anything on them. If you back them on some heavier paper or cardstock, they're gonna work better. So that's what I did, and I don't know, I just think it makes them look like full-on pieces of ephemera. These labels so cute. I love these. What do you guys think? I know we all love ephemera. When I was doing even the like snail mail and flip books, ephemera that was like, if I bought anything from a collection, even if it was like, I'd buy like even 1 or 2 pieces of paper, but I wanted the ephemera pack. I just love it. So I made a whole bunch of ephemera labels, and yeah, I think some of these, like this will be a great journal card, but like, okay, so what if you use this as a tag? That colors match. Ooh, look at this. Remember this one? Make a little cluster. Look at these sticky notes. Super cute. I think those were from Jen. But yeah, once you have a little base, I put these on vellum. Isn't that pretty? Won't that look really cool in a botanical journal? I thought there was some other, oh, look at this. Offset it, and you had like, if you had like a focal piece here, the gold doesn't match, but yeah. I love it. I love this one. I don't know why. I just love it. So what do you guys think of my little mini project? This is kind of when I was sitting watching TV before I started on my pouch project. I was layering up, pulled out my paper scraps and my favorite little new sticky notes and post-it notes, and started gluing and made a whole bunch of ephemera and things to play with. This was actually a sticky note as well that I just layered on a piece. So yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, I will talk to you all soon, and I will have another video coming out shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.